Hello, this is Justin with Green Residential. In this video, we're going to discuss an HVAC media filter, how to tell if you have one in your house, and how to replace it. Let's get started. So if you're missing an HVAC filter in the standard places where you would suspect that it should be, such as the air return or the air intake grill, there's a good chance that your HVAC system does not use the standard 1-inch thick, or at least nominally 1-inch thick filter. It could use a media filter. A media filter is a thicker filter that is typically located in the actual HVAC unit. The nice thing about these filters is that they tend to last longer than the standard filter. So what you would be looking for is a compartment inside that HVAC unit. Many times it's a cover that you pull off or a door that you open. Replacing this filter is simple. When the fan is off, you simply remove the old filter and insert the new filter. You'll want to make sure that the arrow is in the correct direction of the airflow. I also recommend writing the date on the filter of when you changed it. Somewhere on that filter, it should tell you how long that filter should typically last. So having that date recorded on there will help you keep track of when it needs to be replaced further on down the line. Now, you could run into a situation where you do have that compartment in the HVAC unit for a media filter, but you do not have a filter in there. In that situation, there may be a sticker on the door or the cover indicating the size of the filter. Now, you could run into a situation where that sticker is not on the cover or on the door. In that case, you're going to need to measure the compartment where that media filter goes. So what you would do is you would measure the height, depth, and width of that compartment. Now, there is a difference between actual size and nominal size. So for instance, these filters are typically nominally 4 inches thick. However, if we were to measure an actual 4-inch thick media filter, it's going to be different. In this case, this filter is 4¼ inches. Nominally, this is a 4-inch filter though. If we were to measure the thickness of the compartment where this filter goes, it would be 4½ inches. However, nominally speaking, this would be for a 4-inch thick filter. When I measured the thickness of this compartment, I only measured the flat bottom part. I did not include the little channels to either side of this flat surface. The nominal depth of this compartment is 25 inches, and the nominal height of this compartment is 16 inches. The actual number is either rounded up or down to exclude any fractions of a number. Another important point is that if you have a media filter installed in your HVAC unit, and you also are installing the standard 1-inch thick filters in your house, that's potentially creating a double filtration situation where your HVAC system has to pull air in through both those filters. That can cause a strain on the HVAC system. So unless your HVAC system is designed to have 2 filters in a row like that, where it's double filtration, it's best to avoid it. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button. You know, we put out videos like this on a regular basis. They include simple repairs that many homeowners can do. They also include home knowledge, just general house information like this. So if you're not subscribed and you'd like to see more of this type of content, I recommend hitting that subscribe button. I'm so glad you caught this video. I hope you catch my next one. Have a great day, and bye for now.